Welcome back to Clockwise Crypto, where we help you move forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. Stay tuned to the end of this video as we're going to go into our crypto giveaway and how you can earn some free crypto. It's a no-brainer. Diving into the market here, Bitcoin is sitting at 43,000, falling off a cliff right now. Pullback is happening. Ethereum down to 3,200, as well as Solana. Actually, quick note, we are actually giving away Ethereum and really wanted to give you guys something of value. We're giving away projects that we truly believe in. We're not giving away crap. We're giving projects that are going to be around long term. So stay tuned to that. Stay tuned to the end of the video for that. Looking at Solana down to 116.98. Like I said, not a lot happening right now. But if we look at the charts here, we do see here that our triangle did break to the bottom and is pulling back. So slight pullback here after a big pump, but not really concerned. If we pull our Fibonacci tool out, some quick technicals here. We pull the Fibonacci's out. We see that we could expect a pullback to 41,000 based on our Fibonacci level of 61.8. Just something to look at, not too worried about it. Same thing goes with Ethereum. Ethereum, adding the Fibonacci to Ethereum, I think we have a pullback of about $2,800 looking at Ethereum. 2880 is where it's saying. I would say 2,800 just to be safe. 2850 would be my number looking at the charts briefly. So that's kind of our pullback. Not too concerned. Like I said, we use these as an opportunity to take better positions. So use this as a huge opportunity here. This pullback down to the 2000s again, but it's not a big deal. Bouncing off about 2,800. Only to head up higher to make new highs. That is okay. Typically during the Bitcoin conference, it seems like every year we seem to have a dump off every single year. And when Bitcoin drops, all the other cryptocurrencies drop, especially the ones within the top 10. So it's okay. It is very much okay. So diving into Ethereum, I do give Ethereum a lot of problems, in my opinion, on Ethereum and how they're ran. But to be honest with you, Ethereum is by far one of the greatest investments, in our opinion, that anyone can make right now. The cost is only $3,000, right? I remember getting into crypto and Bitcoin went from 20 pulled back to 3, and Bitcoin was at $3,000, and look at where Bitcoin is now. Ethereum is at about $3,000 now and still has the same potential to do massive things in the marketplace for huge gains. So looking at what Ethereum is, so Ethereum 2.0 is coming out. It's actually going to be rolled out, I think in June. It's going to be June of this year. Ethereum 2.0 rolled out. And really what's happening right now is 2.8 supply growth a year with the merge. And what we're going to see is about 3.3 million ETH a year burned. So what happens? That means there's less in supply. And what happens when there's less in circulating supply? The price goes up. So a huge opportunity here. This is why we're giving away ETH on Friday, really to give you guys something of value. So looking at this with 3.3 being burned, you just put that another way. At the end of a decade, they would have, the ETH supply would drop under 100 million. When ETH drops under 100 million, the price is going to explode. And that's just in 10 years. So imagine what's going to happen short term. So essentially, you can take all the Ethereum off an exchange, and that's pretty much the equivalent to what's all going to be burned. It's huge. So when Ethereum 2.0 staking went live, it rallied by 68% in 1 month. So leading up to that, it nearly came up 600% in 6 months. So just off of those numbers alone, Ethereum is right now in a huge buying zone. Huge opportunity with Ethereum, and I'm the person that gives Ethereum a lot of slack. I give them a lot of hassle. I'm like, man, Ethereum, they're doing this and doing that, but they've really positioned themselves to be really at the forefront of everything happening when it comes to crypto adoption. You want exposure on NFTs, you go to Ethereum NFTs. You want exposure on DeFi, you go to Ethereum. You want exposure to stable coins, whether gaming, metaverse, layer 2, you buy Ethereum. You want passive income, Ethereum. You want burning, Ethereum. Pretty much Ethereum has become almost this internet brand where anyone can come build on top of Ethereum very quick. And so when we look at adoption, we look at what's happening, people are going to Ethereum. As much as I gripe about Ethereum, Ethereum is positioned and is a good buy right now. Huge buying opportunity right now. So looking at this article here, kind of diving into Ethereum 2.0. They're saying that Ethereum 2.0's first phase launched December 1st is when we were talking about it. You could have read the Ethereum 2.0 white paper months before that. The full release is not expected until later 2023. The mainnet will be merged with Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain, enabling full staking. That's big. So diving into what Ethereum 2.0 is going to do, it's going to lower gas costs. Ethereum's price is going to rise, of course, with the burn and everything that's going to be going into Ethereum 2.0. They have a prediction of 12,900 when Ethereum 2.0 being successful. So looking at the current price here, 3,200. Let's say they're wrong. I have 10,000. I have 10,000 this year. Let's say they're wrong by $2,000. That is still a massive gain. That's still huge. And I really think we're undershooting Ethereum. I think 20,000 is possible. I think that everyone's underestimating what Ethereum can do. And I know they've had their problems. I know they delay, not really being able to get their things together. But when it comes to just an easy way for projects to be built on the platform, Ethereum has proven itself to be a leader when it comes to dApps, when it comes to everything being built on the blockchain very quickly. So with gas fees coming down, with Ethereum, really finally getting their things together with the Ethereum 2.0 launch, I think that, reading this article and really seeing what they're doing overall, I think Ethereum is a undervalued project as well. I don't think it's as undervalued as Cardano, of course, but I think Ethereum is still very undervalued when you look at what they're doing. And really this burn, taking this circulating supply down and they're saying that it's the equivalent to all the Ethereum that's sitting on exchanges is being wiped away. Think about what that does to the price. That provides scarcity that we see, with Bitcoin, right? That provides scarcity, which ultimately increases the value. The less there is of something, the more valuable it becomes. So naturally, this price that we see right now, so Ethereum pulling back to 2,800, let's say it pulled back to 2,800. These prices we see right now with the token burn that's happening, it's a no-brainer. It's almost a no-brainer to buy some Ethereum right now. It's almost a no-brainer. Forget all the other projects, right? Outside of Cardano, of course. Forget all these other projects that are being built on top of Ethereum. Why not buy the foundational project? Why not buy the base? Why not buy the network these projects are being built on top of? Because when that network wins that's being built on top of Ethereum, Ethereum wins also. So it makes perfect sense to look at Ethereum, which is why we're giving away Ethereum. In order to be eligible for our upcoming crypto giveaway, you must like, comment, and subscribe on Deja's news articles, your favorite cryptocurrency. Once you do that, on Friday, we will be making a drawing, a random person to receive some Ethereum. As like I said, we do believe that Ethereum does have value. So I hope you made it to the end of the video. We can't wait to just give away not only Ethereum, but also we believe it's an asset, something that is really going to be able to position you to take these steps towards financial freedom in crypto. So hope you got some value out of the video. Take a look at Ethereum, do your own research. This isn't financial advice, and we'll see you soon.